Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the Jarvis Foley frame with the Gerton IKEA tabletop. This is the second version of the Jarvis legs design, so they now have a small wedge design to improve stability. This is the extended range version, so it can go from a height of 24.5 inches to 50 inches. But after setting up the table, mine goes from 25.5 inches all the way to 51.1 inches. I got the wide frame so it can support up to 44 to 82 inches in length. I opted for the alloy color edition, so instead of a black, white, or silver paint, they put a clear coat on the legs so you can see the steel underneath. Total, with a discount of 10%, I got the frame with a programmable memory pad. It came to $470, and the tabletop from IKEA, the Gerton tabletop, is $100, so this total package cost $570. I think this is a good price. My only complaint is the shortest height setting. The lowest it can go to is 25.5. After having this desk for a month, I still have the desk and I'm keeping it. Not gonna return it for another brand. Speaking to customer service on the chat, I got an accurate reply on shipping time, and I'm in California, so this came from Washington, which is not a crazy truck drive. I ordered on July 20 and I received it on July 24. And this was a quick shipping time just because I think it was the frame itself, so it was easy to process and ship out quickly. And I recommend you all do the same. Purchase the frame from Foley and purchase the desktop from a local place. I've seen online a lot of the tabletops that ship out do get damaged, and I think it's just a little hard to move a big tabletop lugging that around through the country. But if we're talking about price, Foley has a good price for their tabletops. With that said, there were a couple things this auto sit stand desk needed to do. It had to be easy to order and ship within the United States. So those are a couple brands: Autonomous, Uplift, Jarvis, and IKEA. It needed to be stable at sit and standing heights. This includes side wobble, more so the back and forth wobble shift, and monitor shake or vibration when you're typing or using the tabletop. But this can also vary with the tabletop you choose. I have the Gerton IKEA tabletop, and it's a pretty sturdy tabletop, a thick wood, solid wood, so it's pretty hefty and heavy. It also needs to have good height adjustment and memory presets. This means quickly setting the sit and stand desk from position 1, like sitting height, to position 2, standing height. So it had to be pretty quick, and the Jarvis looked alright for it. And the last feature is weight capacity. It had to handle a good amount of weight so that I could leave everything on my table and not have to worry about it falling down or not going up high enough or fast enough. Some tables with a limit capacity on the weight, if you try to go up, it'll start to stop and go right back down if the weight has reached too high up. And so looking at ship times, stability of the frame, and height adjustment with memory presets, the Jarvis frame from Foley looked like the one to check mark most of the boxes. Overall, I give this Jarvis Foley frame with the IKEA Gerton tabletop a price to value ratio of 8 out of 10. I would give it a 9 out of 10, but I took 2 points off. 1 point for the 25.5 inch height. I wish it could go a little bit lower, maybe 24 or 23. And the last point is subjective, so it's up to you whether you want to go which brand you want, because there are a lot of sit and stand desks out there. Just find one that meets your best values. That does it with this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the Jarvis Foley frame, the Foley Jarvis frame. If you have any questions or concerns with the tabletop or desk frame, comment below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. Bye guys.